In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly rearrange your home screen icons and widgets. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. Now I got my home screen, and if I want to rearrange or to change position of that icons, first I need to do the following. Let's say I need to change position of that settings icon. First I need to hold on that icon, and now I need to move move my finger in any place of the screen that I want, for example at that way, and if I push off my finger, now I see that my settings app now is in that location, and App Store app, it was here and it changed position to that. So in that way I can change the position of any app that I want. I can change up between the screens in the same way. The same things works for widgets, so I can tap and hold on widget to change its position, and now you see what happens. While I drag it to the left or to the right, 2 box of icons is moved because it's size of that widget, so it works in that way. And I can change it to any position that I want. And the last thing that you want to know about organizing your home screen is folders. So now I can hold on some icon and move it over to another icon on that screen, and they becomes a folder, and it even named automatically based on names of that application. So it was WhatsApp and messages, and the folder's calls social networking. Now I can hit on that folder, I can delete that name, I can now write there any name that I want, like messages or whatever I want. And also in here I can change position of that icons, and if I want I can in the same way remove or add some icons there. So I can move there Facebook, for example, and now by the same way I can hold on Facebook icon and move it out of that folder. So guys, that's all about how you can quickly rearrange your home screen. Make sure you like this video, so hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.